Welcome to your Load DevOps briefing. Today we're looking at smarter caching in Azure, AI-powered resilience from AWS, and why your reliability metrics might be lying to you. Our top story: Azure Container Registry now caches only the architecture manifest you actually pull when using multi-arch images. That means if you request an x86 image, only that manifest gets stored locally, while other architectures stay upstream until needed. The cache then asynchronously copies those artifacts, and a webhook fires once the copy completes, signaling the image is fully local and storage charges begin. This is a big deal for teams managing diverse hardware because it saves storage and bandwidth while keeping latency low for the architectures you actually use. Next up, AWS has launched the next generation of its Resilience Hub, now with AI-driven failure analysis and org-wide policy enforcement. SREs can define modular resilience policies, map business-critical paths, and run generative AI-powered failure mode assessments. Integrated with AWS organizations, it auto-discovers dependencies and provides enterprise-wide reporting across hundreds of accounts. This matters because it turns resilience from a manual, reactive process into a proactive, automated compliance check. Meanwhile, a senior SRE has published a thoughtful post on why reliability metrics age faster than the systems they measure. The argument is that SLIs and dashboards become misleading as services evolve, with green screens masking real customer issues. The post outlines recurring failure patterns across major observability stacks and stresses the need for continual metric reassessment. For anyone running dashboards, this is a reminder that stale metrics can be more dangerous than no metrics at all. Also today, Mercari's platform network team successfully migrated a long-standing image resizing service to Cloudflare images with zero downtime. They ran legacy and new paths in parallel, using Cloudflare Edge Origin overrides with S3 host header HTTPS to keep all existing URLs alive. The blog details traffic estimation, safe rollout tactics, and cost trade-offs. This is a great case study for anyone planning a critical service migration without breaking user-facing URLs. And Slack has revealed a multi-cloud AI platform spanning AWS and Google Cloud, built over 3 years. They moved from SageMaker to Bedrock, then to a hybrid architecture to cut scaling latency, avoid GPU shortages, and keep pace with the latest LLM advances. Full deployment is targeted by early 2026. This shows how even large platforms are diversifying cloud providers to stay flexible and avoid vendor lock-in for AI workloads. And finally, a Terraform-first AWS startup achieved ISO-27001 certification by codifying everything: infrastructure, access controls, encryption, monitoring, and vulnerability management. They generated audit evidence directly from Terraform definitions, ensuring continuous compliance and faster enterprise sales. The post shares lessons learned. This is a compelling example of how infrastructure as code can streamline security certifications and make compliance an engineering practice rather than a paperwork exercise. That's all for today's briefing. Join us tomorrow for more DevOps news that matters.